So today we will discuss about EndNote. Okay, what is EndNote and why it is important? How we can use EndNote as a reference uh, manager or library to write research paper. You know what is a reference?
From where the materials we got.
From where the material we got, that is known as a reference. Whenever you write anything, you must uh, know from where this data came from, who is the scientist who write this for the first time. Okay, so we need to give the reference of that as well. So for that purpose, you will go to, first of all, you will go there. Okay, right here, uh, EndNote. Okay, when you will go to your computer, you go there, and I will send you this video. And here, or you can go here as well. This is okay. So genome-wide analysis tool. Here you can find EndNote here. Okay, you can go there. You can click here, and you can download the because it is a violation of terms of service. Or you can let's here. Okay, I will send you this through WhatsApp. Okay, so but why it's not you can down. Okay, I will uh, uh, I will add this link again here. Okay, after you download the EndNote, you need to install the. Okay, you will see here and EndNote because I have already download this. Here you can see that. Okay, this is EndNote. You will just click here. It will be installed. Okay, you know the installation process. Okay, uh, you can go there. I will send you this file, and you can download it and install it. But I will say send you another email video where whole procedure is again explain how to install, download, and working with EndNote. Okay, you will go there with this one. Yes. Okay. After this, yes, they have already installed there. That's why they are saying this. Okay. Okay. And oh, after you install, uh, then you will go to this crack version and copy this and go to C drive and go to program file and note 20 and paste it there. Replace it. This will help your EndNote to get registered. You also need to register. Okay, when you replace it and click it, because I have already this replaced. So just you click here, it will be replaced. So your software will be registered. Okay, after that you will go there and note. Okay. Now you will make new library. New here, like you will just save it where you know where your data is. Okay, like Atifa underscore citrus. Okay, or and you can write it, save it. Okay. After that, there will be a new library. Okay. Now you will go to Google Scholar. Where? Google Scholar. Click here. Uh, like you are working on citrus, sinensis, Malta. Okay. Musambi, Malta. Okay. Uh, so you see that there's a paper here, like here, or something like that. Essential oil composition, and you will go there, site, EndNote, click here, and then click here. It will import directly into the library. Then from library, you just copy it. Then library, from library, you copy it, and like here, you write here citrus, sinensis is very important. You know, it's a citrus sinensis is a scientific name. You must italicize it. Okay, it is very important. Fruit, crop, and cultivated worldwide. ठीक है? And we want to give the reference. I copy that and then just paste it here. Okay. After that, you go there here and note 20. It will be there, your Word document. Okay. If you will click there, there are a lot of citation style are there. Like if you want to go with APA 7, you click here and just update it. When you update it, the reference with the list of reference, it will be at the end of the document. That you don't need to write. You got my point? Yes. It's very easy. Like now we want to that citrus uh, Malta is very important citrus variety, and is cultivated in Afghanistan. Okay. Now I will know from where this information. First time noted that Malta is cultivated in Afghanistan. We will copy it and then we will go to Google Scholar, Google Scholar, and click here, and then we will find which it is the paper horticulture in SAR country, building of central Afghanistan. It means it will be there. It must be there. Okay. So we will click here, EndNote, and then click here. It will again go to okay, and then copy it and paste it there. Now you will write your paper, okay, and then again you will go to end and update, only update. When you update it, now you will write your paper on citrus sinensis and RPR1 genes or some other genes. Okay, so you will write that there are many pathogens. There are many pathogens or something like that attack citrus, and there are the diseases are the major threat to citrus production in diseases. Citrus canker disease is the major threat to citrus production in Afghanistan या in the world. ठीक है, especially in Afghanistan. ठीक हो गया? Is it सही है? Is it that Afghanistan? This country is not. What's going on, right? No, ये Afghanistan. Spelling is okay? Okay. Especially in Afghanistan, in the world, is a important citrus species. Is इसको हम okay? Citrus canker. Then who said that this is the major threat to citrus production in Afghanistan? There's someone. Always cite. Okay. So for that purpose, we will go to in here, Google Scholar, write it here, and then citrus canker potential threat to worldwide citrus industry. Okay. Here, and is it there? Did he mention Afghanistan here? No. Need to know whether this topic is there in that or not. Okay. So, but they said it's a threat to world industry. Okay. We will go there and take EndNote and here try to be that it must have contain that what you are asking, what you are writing in the. Okay. So you copy here. You know here there are three references here. Will be your library. It will keep on your library built. Next time, you don't need to go. If you want to cite again all these three, just copy it. Yeah. And you can even copy all these and then uh, update. All three will be here and okay. You got my point. So now in this way, you will be able to. No, I will send these to Atifa. I'm sending you this EndNote. Okay. Um, I will convert this into zip file, compress zipper. We cannot because do you want it to place on the desktop in short? This is EndNote. Okay. Zip. I will send it and you can download from here. Okay. And you tonight you will send me a little 3 to 4 lines. You will write it through EndNote and make a video. Okay. In this way, it's very easy for you guys to write any paper. Okay. So we will be in touch on Zoom everywhere. Okay. I will. This is a very good video for. I will share this video as well with you.